The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good Tuesday morning, guys. Dennis, Don, fellas, good morning. Thank you, Dennis. Appreciate that. Sound is good. Guys, today is Marco. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, February 27. As a reminder, morning, Lori. As a reminder, March 1st is Friday, and I have sent March's link. If you're a current room member, good morning, Tanya. If you're a current room member and you do not have March's link, you need to email me before 8 a.m. on Friday. Order flow class yesterday. Good morning, Mark. Order flow class yesterday. The video was sent along with next week's link. And today at noon, good morning, Hubba. Today at noon, I will be having a webinar for those of you that are in the Algo group. I have sent that link. If you're in that group and you do not have that link, then you need to email me. Mark, good to see you, man. How the hell have you been? Hope you're well. Nice to have you back in the room. So for look, guys, today I checked the. Good morning, Michael. I checked the registration for the first time, and we have just over 400 people in the room. And with due respect, I didn't check yesterday, and I do not know how many have joined in the last couple of days. So what I'm going to do is go through my normal routine, and then I'm going to give you guys an overview of the room. You guys will be here through Thursday when the link expires, and kind of give you what's going on here. There's actually quite a bit that happens in this room. Some of you most of you have trialed before at some point, I would assume, and many of you are members at one point. But the room has changed pretty considerably. We've got a lot going on. We have the new website, I believe, will be up on Friday. I think we're scheduled for Friday to launch the new website. Pretty excited about that. So typically, for those of you guys that are here, typically what I do every day, not typically, what I do every day is I actually read the disclaimer. If you've ever been involved in another room or followed another room, most people just put it up on the screen and kind of talk over it. I actually read it. So if you guys want to get coffee or walk the dog while I'm reading it, feel free. No worries, Pam. No worries. And I'm gonna cover that as well today for you. So first and foremost, I read the disclaimer. I then go through charts. I'll show you what it is that I'm seeing and what it is that I think, and then I'll kind of give you guys an overview of the bot, and we'll go from there. So first, let's get disclaimer out of the way. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Morning, Anthony. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. It's got to push through 13 and it's going, but it's 10-minute resistance. If it gets through 13, it's going to go. 14. Buyers trying. Here it goes. So remember, guys, if this gets 500 bucks, it's done. Oh, hit. There it is. Target hit. Target 2 is hit. This can get to 27. I don't know if it can get 35, but 27 it can get. 2 minutes to the next 3-minute bar. All right, out. So we're at 405. So I'm 100 bucks from daily goal. I'm not sure. Fellas, got a little bit of momentum here. I'm watching VWAP. Small sellers in here. Small block sale here. Buyers back in. Going up. Going up. At least to 25, it looks like. Need to get through this 2150 and then 38. We came back down to this first zone. No, my bots are not on yet. I'll turn them on 5 minutes or so. Let the market shake out, Kevin. I'd rather miss the first trade. I'm okay with that. We're hovering right around the line in the sand, right? Ludwig level yellow. Here's what it looks like on a naked chart. Unless I get a 5-minute close below yellow, it's longs. I still like longs. Delta supports longs. Selling is infinitesimal. There is some selling, but not much. I don't really have a trade at this point. I have no algos on, no bots on. Nothing is running yet. All right, some sellers. Here comes, we should get VWAP. Now we've pulled VWAP higher. We could get a breakdown. We're trading into a ton of support though. That's the problem. On the hourly, we have support at 94 and then 85. Come on. Need to push through 18. My target is 41, fellas. We're above yellow again. My target is now 41. We get through this 20, maybe 19, 20 area. My target is 41. Up to 800 net buyers. Next 3-minute bar is in 41 seconds. Could not break above the 2-minute cloud yet. Got to get above that 2-minute cloud. I'm on the close. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. Let me get this. We got another cross. That's why it put on another trade. So this is what we're going to talk about on Saturday. If you have all 3 boxes checked, that was a net $35, $100 loss. It was up 70 bucks. Christmas, man. Seriously. If we're going to bounce, it's in here. Maybe 5, 6 for the long. We really have to get above 17, 18. So we got first target. Come on, dude. Break up over that 21, and this thing is going to go hooey. That's your next entry is 21 or so. 21. That's our breakout. This should go to 40, fellas. Come on. A little bit of resistance here. 21.5. Not much. Come on. Give me that next target. Come on. Push. Come on. Is anybody having Ninja Trader issues? Anybody having issues with Ninja? All right, there's your first target, fellas. 41 is my final target. This should keep going. We're through the opening range high. Got buyers. You're hearing that gold algo, guys. That's all you're hearing. It's going to take me out here. It looks like at 25. Out. All right, guys. Let me shut this bot off. Bot wise up 630 on the second account, up 5 something on the first account. I'm done. Anybody take that 21 entry? I got slipped a tick. Anybody have any questions on the bot? Let me turn this micro one back. I'm going to go. I did 715 order flow wise, but that's on size. 3 5 contract trades. The first was a loser. Let me see if volume is up. It says it's flat. Volume is average. Seems to have been ended the moment it started. Here's that gold on the algo trying to come to target again. I'll talk about these settings with you guys that are in the group when we get to our meeting today. All right, the highlights. I ran the bot, Trend BOT Pro, on 2 different accounts. Both accounts exceeded their daily $500 goal. Set. Got target here, guys. So here's 620 on this. Of course, because it's in sim. Anybody have any questions? Seth, do you need a screenshot of the 2 bots? And then order flow wise, 780. Okay, 780 order flow wise. So the highlights are it was still, all right, Micros just put on a trade short. Highlights are it was still a profitable day. The lowlights are we're still pinned around 18,008. To stay, and these 5-minute bars are inside. I mean, we're definitely coiling for a move. I can't tell you what direction, but we're coiling for a blowout in one direction or the other. All right, fellas, I will see everyone tomorrow.